Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like easy, helpful videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple and useful. Let's get started.
Finding settings in Outlook depends on whether you're using the desktop application or the web version. For the Outlook desktop app, the one you install on your computer, you will find settings under the File tab. Open Outlook, then click File in the top left corner of the window. On the screen that appears, look for Options towards the bottom left. Clicking Options opens a new window called Outlook Options. Here, you can adjust a wide range of settings for your Outlook experience. You can customize mail settings, like message arrival and sending options. You can also change calendar defaults, add-ins, trust center settings, and general display preferences. This is where you control how Outlook looks and behaves on your computer. If you are using Outlook through a web browser, like Outlook.com or your company's Microsoft 365 webmail, the location is different. Look for the gear icon, which usually appears in the top right corner of your browser window. It looks like a small cogwheel. Click this gear icon to open a quick settings panel. This panel lets you quickly change things like your theme, dark mode, or message display density. For more comprehensive settings, scroll to the bottom of this quick settings panel. You will see an option labeled View All Outlook Settings. Click this link to open a full settings window. In the web version's full settings, you can manage mail rules, sync email accounts, customize your layout, and set up automatic replies. So, remember to check for File in the app or the gear icon on the web.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.